What is up, guys? Intelitech Studios, and you guys just saw my unboxing of the original Galaxy Note. Now here's an unboxing of a very special Galaxy Note that a lot of you guys probably have never used before for maybe a certain reason. There's a certain reason why a lot of people don't really see this phone anymore, but we'll get into that later. But anyway, guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. This is the legendary device that succeeded the Note 5 and precedented the Note 8 and was also susceptible to a certain flaw. Anyways, and I actually have two here. I have the AT&T silver unit and a black is a Sprint or T-Mobile, except these are dummy phones. These aren't the original functioning units. These are just display models that don't work, but this is different. So let's slide this box up and open this up. Now the phone will try to fall, and it did, but that's okay. So there it is. Now I've already been using it for a little bit to make sure that this one is safe. So this isn't the first time I'm powering this on. I did use it for quite a bit to make sure that it was good and that it had a good battery in it. But here it is, booting up Galaxy Note 7. This is a T-Mobile unit, so we'll set this aside. As we can see, if this will focus on that, T-Mobile. Beautiful. So this is the blue coral color, which I've always wanted. I always wanted this blue color because it is just so gorgeous and it just looks so good. So look at that. Isn't that the way the light reflects off that? It's really hard to find this color, especially nowadays. A lot of the people who still hold on to their Note 7s usually have one of these colors, but this is an exception. This is a T-Mobile Note 7. As you can see, we have the always-on display. And I'm going to log in. So again, this isn't new. I already set this up, as you can tell. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks in preparation for my Galaxy Note 7 review. But as we can see, it is fully working. I even have it all themed up and nice. So yeah, this is the Galaxy Note 7. Let's go to settings, in fact, and I'll show you, as you can tell with the white battery indicator, this is the original Generation 1 Note 7. It's not the Fan Edition. If we go to General Management, we can see this is the original SM-N930T Android 6.0.1 July 1st, 2016 security patch. This has never received a software update, and I actually have a system in place that blocks these software updates, so I can't even click the update even if I wanted to. That's because I have this thing called the, that's a battery monitor. I have this thing called the Alliance Shield X, which completely blocks software updates. So there's no way for an update to get through to my phone, because as you guys know, there was an update sent out that makes it to where the battery can't charge. And based on it being 95, 94%, you can tell I was just charging it with no ill effects. So we can see it's been perfectly fine. Voltage, since I just took it off the charger, the voltage has been up a little bit, but it'll go back down. So it's been perfectly fine. This battery in this phone is at 87% health, since it was only used for about a month and then put away into storage for quite a while until recently whenever I bought it. That chip is the only blemish on the phone. Of course, we have the S Pen. Beautiful blue coral S Pen. I turned off the automatic air command, but you can see that's where it is. All the Note 7 S Pen features. So yeah, anyways, I'll talk about that more later. But let's look at what's in the rest of the box. So not much else. We have in here we have all your booklets and all your random books and crap that no one cares about. I also have a spare S Pen in there. So I don't think any of you guys care about that. T-Mobile SIM card, ignore that. Got all the usual stuff. Missing the headphones, but it has everything else. This is the USB Type-C adapter for the 2016 Gear VR. I have the micro USB on there because I'm using it with my Note 5. Adaptive fast charge, your USB to USB what is it? USB micro B to USB Type-C adapter. I have two of them in there. S Pen removal tool, USB-C cable, and USB-A to USB-C adapter, and of course the fast charger. So everything's in there. Everything's in there just fine. And put this all back. This is backwards, because I'm sure you guys don't care about the box. But either way, that's the Note 7. And this is just a super quick unboxing, and also comparing it to the other colors, the blue, black, and silver. You can see the difference there. This has the gold trim, the rose gold trim, and of course the coral blue color. So that's pretty much it. This is just a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Note 7. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next unboxing, which will be the Galaxy Note 4. And that is a special version of the Note 4 as well, not just any old Note 4. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and this is the unboxing of the Galaxy Note 7. Peace. By the way, no explosion jokes, please. The Note 7 review is coming up soon. No explosion jokes. Okay, we get it. It's not funny anymore. This device is perfectly fine. I've had no issues with it. Can we just drop it? Thank you. TED Talk is over. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.